And we have come out to Pyle Garden Centre today, which is up in Bridgend, and we're going to have a little look around just to see what they've got on offer in March. And it's still early in the morning, it's only sort of 10:30, but it's busy already. They've got some lovely tree ferns here, and they're a really good size. These ones are £249, and that's not really a bad price considering the size. Just look at that one there. That's the same price, and that's a beautiful tree fern there. Really nice growth on that. A lovely selection of acers. And just look at that tip there. They're 2 for £40, and it says top tip, plant with John Innes number 3. There's lots of bamboos here. And just look how tall they are. They're almost reaching the sky there. And how much are these? They are £100, and that's classed as a bamboo medium. That's a golden bamboo. £100. Beautiful, but pricey. You've got black bamboos there. £60 they are for the black ones. It's not quite so bad, I suppose. Things have gone up so much in price lately. £100 for the rhododendrons. Beautiful plants. They are quite expensive for £100. I'm loving this metal arch, but there's no price on this at the moment. And this is a Magnolia Emperor. And just look at them flower buds. I've never seen anything like that. Got some lovely photinias here, different ones. And the pine trees are £200, but they are some really nice specimens there. No room for them in my garden though. So we're home now from the garden centre, and I've just given everything a really good water, as believe it or not, the garden was quite dry. We haven't really had that much rainfall lately, as we normally have. And this morning, before we went out, about 8 o'clock, I just got to show you this. I trimmed the bananas back with a sharp knife. And if you just look at that there, that's how much it's grown in an afternoon. There's an inch of growth there, and it's now 3:30 in the afternoon. So in a few hours, these banana plants, the Musa bajus, have pushed out this much leaf growth. And also exactly the same on these ones here. Look at that there. That's 1 inch of growth almost in one afternoon. And that's totally unbelievable. So I've trimmed back the stems, and I'm just going to let them get on with it now. And hopefully the leaves will emerge soon. It looks that way anyway. I've also had a little bit of a jig about with the plants, and I've just bought a plant there to go at the bottom, because I'm looking for some privacy along the bottom of the garden here. And in the centre now, I've moved my Asa. Hopefully that will transplant okay. It's been in a few different places in the garden. And in the corner there is my Sambucus Black Beauty. And I've got a mimosa behind there. There's no flowers on that though this year. But I'm hoping now that everything can stay where I've put it, and it'll all do okay. The Sambucus Black Beauty has got some growth on it that you can see just starting, and I'm hoping that that'll grow into a decent size there in the corner of the garden. This particular Photinia Red Robin in the centre of the garden has grown so large, and it's now got to be at least 4 foot high. And look at all that lovely new growth there. It's lovely to see the new season coming into life. The Clematis Armandii is definitely growing up this trellis. And today now, I've had to just tie it in. And when I put this in a few weeks ago, it wasn't even reaching the trellis. So that's definitely got a bit of growth on it in the last few weeks. And that's fantastic. I can't wait for this to grow and hopefully give us a show of flowers. And the loquat tree, well, that's got some new growth coming on it too. You can just see the new leaves there now coming out. And I love this tree. I don't know how big it's going to grow, but I love the leaves on it. Beautiful plant. And I also noticed this morning that the plum tree has burst into flower. I trimmed this back a few weeks ago, and just look at all the flowers on there now. And this is also a beautiful plant in the garden, and this is a Photinia Pink Crispy, and you can see the difference if I just look up to the other Photinia that's next to it. And that one there is a Photinia Carré Rouge, and that's a smaller version of the Red Robin and a lot brighter in colour. that's really vibrant. And it really brightens up the garden. So me and Tony have had a lovely day today going around the garden centre, and I hope you've enjoyed having a little look around Pyle Garden Centre with us. And until next time, I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.